In this video I will show you how to use hem tape to hem curtains, to repair tear in pants, to attach trims and ribbons, and how to use hem tape for making a curved hem. Hem tape is an adhesive tape that's designed to fuse two layers of fabric together without any stitching. If you were to go to a store, you would likely find several different brands, types and sizes of adhesive hemming tape. But don't let that concern you. They all work in generally the same way. The most popular type of hem tape is double-sided iron-on hemming tape. It's non-woven, fusible tape. It has adhesive material on both sides and glues two layers of fabric together. It looks like a web, really, and sometimes it's called fusible web. It melts from hot iron. Iron-on hem tape is intended to be permanent and cannot be removed from fabric. Sometimes it has paper backing that you need to peel before using. Let me show you how to use double-sided iron-on hem tape. I mostly use this type of hem tape for curtains. Step 1. Prepare your fabric by making sure it's clean. Iron the fabric. Get rid of all wrinkles. Make sure that the fabric you want to fuse is safe for ironing. Step 2. Measure your desired hem width. Create a hem in the material by folding it to the desired width and press the hem with hot iron. Cut your hem tape to the same length as the hem you are using it for. Be sure to measure and cut to the correct length. Step 3. Insert the double-sided iron-on tape into the hem area. You want it in between the layers of fabric without any tape poking out from above the hem. Avoid having your tape come in direct contact with your iron because it will melt on your iron and this makes a huge mess. Step 4. Press and follow the instructions provided on the package of your hem tape. You will likely need your iron on a medium to medium-high setting so it's hot enough. If you are pressing a delicate fabric, use a pressing cloth between your fabric and the iron to prevent burning. Also, if you are hemming a large area with your fusible tape, work in small sections. That will make it easier to keep everything straight. Step 5. Allow the fabric to cool and check the seal. The tape fuses as it cools. So if you check your seal immediately after ironing while the fabric is still hot, it may not seem like it worked, even if it probably did. Also, when checking before the tape cools, you have the potential for sliding or shifting the hem and messing it up. Now, how to hem tape pants. The process for hemming pants is practically the same as I just showed you. Take care to use the correct type of hemming tape for the type of pant fabric you are working with. Cotton or rayon pants will require thinner tape than thicker jeans or wool pant fabric. Make sure that your iron heat setting is appropriate for both the tape and the thickness of your fabric. The thicker the fabric, the hotter the iron setting. I'm going to use black hem tape for my pants. Step 1. If a part of the pants hem got unstitched, wash your pants and iron them. Don't use fabric softener. Make sure that the fabric is smooth without any wrinkles and it's safe for ironing. Step 2. Measure the length of the tear in the hem that needs to be repaired. Cut your hem tape to the same length, or better slightly more, half an inch more. Be sure to measure and cut to the correct length. Step 3. Insert the double-sided iron-on tape into the hem area between the layers of fabric without any tape poking out from above the hem. Step 4. Set your iron on wool temperature with steam. Press for 10 seconds or more. If your fabric is delicate, use a pressing cloth between your fabric and the iron to prevent burning. Step 5. Allow the fabric to cool and check the seal. I like to use a double-sided iron-on hem tape for attaching tricky trims made from plastic. Let me show you. So this shiny silver ribbon is great for embellishment, but how do you attach it to the fabric? Hem tape is a proper solution. The ribbon is flat on the wrong side, so it's easily glued with hem tape. Just put the tape on the fabric, place the ribbon over it and press. But have in mind you will need to use a pressing cloth. Now let me show you how to use hem tape for knit fabric and curved hems. I like to use knits for my projects. I'm using 1D Under Stretch Seam Tape by Pellon for this type of hems. Do you know how to hem a circle skirt or a flared dress? Well, it can be hard to figure out at first glance, but is actually really easy after you get used to it. So here I have a curved edge. The fabric is knit fabric. If you want a really nice curved hem without any pleats in the hem, you should gather the curved edge first. Set your machine like this. Stitch length between 4 and 5, tension 0. Make a stitch all around your hem edge, 1/4 inch from the cut edge. Fold the curved hem to the wrong side, keeping necessary distance, and fix folding with an iron. At the same time, pull up the bobbin thread to gather the fabric. Distribute gathers evenly so the hem stays flat. Don't over tighten. Next, take the 1D tape, cut strips from it, insert them under the hem and press. Peel off paper and press the hem again for 10 seconds. The adhesive from the tape will fuse the hem in place. You will see that the hem stays flexible. After this, you can sew the hem to make it permanent. If you would like to know more about hem tape, check out the written tutorial on my site hberry.com. I will leave the link under this video.